Welcome to Nicky Jardine's Health Industry Management Company. Are you thinking of building a medical centre or simply automating your practice management so it's efficient, professional and more importantly working for you? Well, you've come to the right company. Nicky Jardine has worked in the health industry for over 30 years. Nicky has built, operated and managed many medical practices successfully, both for single and multiple GP centres, specialists and allied health practitioners. Nicky has had her own successful consultancy business for over 10 years and is very well known throughout Australia for her strategic thinking and positive approach to all contracts. Nicky and her staff are very innovative, constantly looking at ways to improve the private health industry and, to be quite honest, fun to be around. They take the stress out of practice management and make owning a practice enjoyable. When setting up a new centre, there are so many elements to take into consideration. Sometimes you don't know what you don't know. You also want to make sure that your practice is receiving the correct grants from Medicare, your staff are trained correctly, and that the management are following your vision of a perfect practice. Looking after the project or practice management of a business is a full-time job and cannot be shared if you are still going to be a doctor. Setting up and running a successful medical practice is not something to be left to chance. It is a complex business and must work like a well-oiled machine if a doctor is to be successful. Building or setting up a practice can be very stressful. You have to consider finance, IT, staff, marketing, builders, medical supplies, the list goes on and on. Nicky's group have assisted in the setup of scores of buildings. They know where the problems lie and can even talk to you about patient traffic, issues in reference to your floor plans. If you want the latest technology, Nicky's company has strategic partners all over Australia and will find you the latest technology to develop your dreams. With Nicky's extensive background and skill set, numerous business and leadership awards, and a passion for creating successful medical businesses, she now also manages medical practices all over Australia via Nicky's unique virtual business management model, telepractice management. Nicky and her team can oversee a medical centre from over 1,000 kilometres away, tell you how many patients are currently sitting in the waiting room, if the doctor has used the correct Medicare item number, and ensure you've claimed everything you're entitled to claim. Nicky holds a Bachelor of Health, Aged Care and Community Services Diploma in Practice Management, Certificate 4 in Training and Assessment, and is a Justice of the Peace qualified. Take the time to phone Nicky Jardine. Involve them as part of your team.